Steven, and today we're going to find out about JAWS. JAWS is screen reading software. This program translates written content on a computer screen to voice so people who are blind or visually impaired can hear web pages, application controls, and documents read to them by a computer-generated voice. The name JAWS might make you think of the horror movie about a really angry great white shark, but don't worry. Although the software uses the image of a shark ironically, the program itself is actually pretty friendly. JAWS is an acronym that stands for Job Access with Speech. It was originally developed in 1998 by the Freedom Scientific Company and has since become the world's most popular screen reader. JAWS was originally intended to be customized for each individual user to provide access to commercial software applications that would enable blind or visually disabled people to operate computers at their job. These days, JAWS works with most web pages and word processing documents without any custom configuration. Many popular software applications are compatible with JAWS, and the list of programs that can be operated using JAWS grows each day. This allows for more use by people for recreational and leisure reading of computer-based text and casual use of software programs using JAWS. JAWS works by reading the underlying text information present in most documents and application controls. There are default modes of operation as well as customizable navigation methods available. You can use JAWS if you have a Windows-based PC computer that uses Windows 7s or later. JAWS is not available on Linux or Apple operating systems at this time. There are several free screen readers that are compatible with Linux, with the most popular being Orca. If you use an Apple laptop or desktop computer, they come with VoiceOver screen reader pre-installed. Android and iPhone devices come with proprietary screen reading software pre-installed. You can download JAWS at the Freedom Scientific website. The full version of JAWS costs a couple of $1,000s. Employers, schools, and vocational programs often provide financial assistance to people who need JAWS. For the casual user, student, or developer who wants to test their material for compatibility with JAWS, there is a fully functional demo version available for free. The only limitation of the free version is that it can only be used for 40 minutes at a time, and then you just need to reboot your computer to use it for another 40-minute increment. This usually provides sufficient time to test any particular batch of content before the time limit expires. Here are a couple of tips about installing JAWS. It hooks into your operating system at a hardware level, so it takes a while for the installer to finish its work. You may see a few of those DOS boxes open and close throughout the process. Just be patient and you will be done in about 5 to 10 minutes. After the installer is done, you will have to restart your computer. JAWS is going to launch for the first time when you restart. The first time that you run JAWS, you can configure the options to have JAWS start each time you start your computer. It is probably going to be most convenient for you to turn this option off, or JAWS will launch every time you start your computer, and some people find this annoying. As you can see, this option has been turned off already. Let's look at the help menu to get help with our keystroke commands to control JAWS. Here you will find all the functionality to operate JAWS. Just a note here, everyone uses JAWS a little differently, just like each person reads a newspaper or a magazine a little differently. On a well-designed web page, you should be able to navigate through all of the elements on the page in order by using the Tab key and the arrow keys. Let's do some navigation. Use tabs to move through all of the links on the page in sequence. Use the down arrow key to read the next line of text. Use the up arrow key to read the previous line of text. Let's look at navigating by hearing summary information about the structure of the web page. To hear a list of all the frames on the page, use Lift Frames or Insert plus F9. To hear a list of all of the links on the page, use List Links or Insert plus F7. To hear a list of all headings on the page, use List Headings or Insert and F6. To hear a list of all form fields on the page, use List Form Fields or Insert plus F5. To find out more about the keyboard commands for JAWS, just check the Help menu. I hope that you found this introduction to JAWS informative. The best way to start testing your online content for accessibility is to just grab a copy of JAWS and jump in. You will be reading like a pro in no time.